Fashion on Today, supported by Brian de Staic.
Well, welcome back to the show. Jewellery is the perfect way to add both personality and polish to any outfit, and our stylist Orla Diffily here is to do that. It's to show us how that we can just make everything look fabulous.
Exactly, and we're going to look specifically today at jewellery that's really having a moment right now, a big fashion moment right now, which is Celtic jewellery. And of course, that's kind of part of our own cultural past, our own heritage, but it's also part of our identity. So we're looking at jewellery with meaning, all created here in Ireland.
Love it. Let's get cracking. So we're going to get Sydney out first with our very first look. Nicola Coughlan, the Irish actress, she's known for wearing Celtic jewellery as well, so that's helping us, really,
it is,
isn't it?
It is actually bringing it to an international stage. And Saoirse Ronan, of course, is wonderful for it as well. So we're going to look here at Sydney, and this is a beautiful summer look, and we're accessorising it here with pieces from the Carrick Dove collection. Now, the Carrick Dove is a relatively new collection at Brian de Staic, and that was created approximately 5 to 6 years ago. And each piece is a work of art and of beauty.
They're really unusual, aren't they?
They really are beautiful. They're magnificent pieces, and they all have 14 karat gold there as well. And the stone used in it is a specific stone. It's found on the Dingle Peninsula, and I'm reliably informed it's 188 million years old.
Stop.
So there you go. That's real history. They're longer than the Celts now. So what we're looking at here are the earrings, and they, of course, are engraved with Ogham. Which is a Celtic language, so it's a linear language, and it's one, as we know, of the first kind of written languages of Ireland, and we see it to this day in standing stones.
Does it mean anything in particular, Orla?
Oh, yes. So the earrings here, they say Graw. But again, you can personalise the earrings to say Sinead, or to say Sydney, or to say whatever you wish to say.
That's amazing.
So there you're actually personalising the jewellery and giving it meaning. And the pendant here is a matching pendant, and the pendant says, I love you. But again, you can make that say Sydney or whatever you wish. You can personalise it. And again, the chains come in different lengths, so you can get them there to suit different styles.
So literally you can personalise every aspect of that particular piece of jewellery. And the dress,
the dress
is very wow, isn't it?
Isn't it gorgeous? And again, when you have a piece like this, kind of give it loads of kind of standing room. And this dress here, the V-neck, it's just gorgeous. And this is from Sheena's Boutique here in Cork, from their new summer collection. And again, you can see that in the look, we have the golds in the dresses and the gold in the jewellery. So we're kind of pairing them together for a real dramatic statement finish.
I love it. Thank you so much for that, Sydney. Sydney's hand in the pockets and everything. We love a dress with pockets.
Well, we love our pockets.
We always talk about the pockets. I have none today, and I just feel a bit naked without them. Roisin is out next with her next look. And talk me through this.
Now, what we're going to look at now are pieces from the Trinity collection. And again, this is very much kind of in our culture as well. And it's about continuity and eternity.
It was the tattoo of the 90s, Orla. That and the dolphin, wasn't it? Do you remember?
It kind of was. You're
totally
100% right. You're 100% right.
Totally was.
So we're having
Roisin's too young. She's like, no.
We remember, Sinead.
We do.
So we're looking here at the earrings, and these are in 14 karat gold. And what's great is that, you can get the collections, all the collections created. You can get them in silver and in the different carats of gold.
Oh, brilliant.
And they give you different price points as well. So these are the Trinity earrings. And we're matching it here with this beautiful pendant that has an emerald in it as well.
Oh, lovely.
So it's a Trinity pendant with an emerald. And I think, look, it's such a statement, and it's for a forever piece as well. It's an investment piece, an heirloom that you'll hand down.
I'm not trying to put you on the spot, but I'm wondering if your birthstone was sapphire or something different, can you personalise the stones the same way you might personalise other jewellery by Brian de Staic?
I'm sure you can, but that is not a definitive answer.
Okay, sorry,
I'm giving you there.
Fair,
but I'm sure they will be happy to do it.
Left of centre question.
All special requests in terms of birthstones. Indeed, if you were a sapphire, for instance.
Something like that.
Absolutely, yes, because they do diamonds as well.
Oh, wow, okay. And the bangle is fab too.
And this is a beautiful 14 karat bracelet here. And again, it's the Trinity knot. And again, it's from our Celtic past. and it's continuity and eternity. And again, I think a real forever piece there as well.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that, Roisin. We're going to get Elvira out next with another look, but these are all, like you say, personalisable. They've history in them.
Jewellery with meaning and our own cultural identity. And here we're going to look at pieces from the Ogham collection. And again, we're styling our Celtic jewellery with this real dramatic dress as well. I mean, and that's really important because Celtic jewellery is having its moment. It's part of our fashion as well and can be worn both day into night.
For sure.
We're looking at the Ogham collection and we're starting with the 9-carat gold earrings there. And again, just what you said earlier, these can be personalised whatever you wish, the name of a loved one or your own name or something of significance to you. And Ogham was one of their first ever collections over 40 years ago when they opened.
Just goes to show it, you know,
and it's as popular
timeless
today, if not even more popular.
For sure.
And they were the first actually to do an Ogham collection there as well. And the dress look.
Listen, I saw Elvira walking around the area. I was like, girl, you need to just live in that dress for the rest of your life. She looks sensational.
Isn't it? This is a red carpet, literally a red carpet dress.
And it has pockets. I mean, who knew a dress like that was going to have pockets?
And it has pockets.
That's
and again,
your colour.
when you're wearing beautiful pieces of jewellery, let them shine and wear them with a block colour. So
Yes,
again, I mean,
okay.
this could be a shorter dress as well. It would work just as well. But it's a block colour, so you let your gold jewellery there shine. And of course, the Ogham collection has an international following. Tom Cruise has one.
Oh.
And Nicole Kidman has one, as does Saoirse Ronan, and many more. So celebrity following there.
That's amazing, isn't it? Thank you so much for that, Elvira. I'm like, don't even...
And Don O'Neill has
change
one.
the jewellery, but don't change the dress. It's so good. We're going to kick back off with another look on Sydney now this time.
Now, so what we're going to do...
The red is so good today, isn't it?
We're going to look at 3 silver looks now, so that we're, you know, taking the design and we're taking the heritage and we're now including it in this beautiful silver.
Because gold isn't everyone's colour, so like you say, you can customise the colour, the
and
metal.
I sometimes wear silver in the winter and gold in the summer.
Oh, okay.
Some people are devoted to one or the other, but the important thing is you can kind of get the collections at different price points.
For
so
sure.
we're looking here at the blazer, which we're showing with the matching pants here. So a great suit here, and this is from Sheena's boutique. And we're styling it here. Again, you can just have a look at the suit with the gorgeous wide legs as well. Lots of drama. Lots of drama.
Great, like confirmation, summer wedding kind of look, isn't it?
Exactly for this time of year. And we're styling it here with this beautiful pendant. And again, that answers your question from earlier.
Yes.
So I don't have
Different
to answer it at all.
True.
Here you go, a different stone. And this is, I'm hoping to pronounce it. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you
that's
so
the
much.
one.
I'm struggling to say that.
It took me a while to get there too.
Amethysta. And again, a beautiful, beautiful stone here, adding that little bit of sparkle. And what I want to look at here then is the bangle, because the bangle is one of the newer pieces at the collections, and this is inspired here by the waves off the west coast of Ireland.
Wow.
And again, you can see this is a real statement piece.
It really is, isn't
and
it?
look great just over a black polo.
But that's it, isn't it?
Super easy to style. And they're all available online or in their store in either Killarney or at their workshop in Dingle.
Thank you so much for that, Sydney. We're going to get Roisin out now with the next look, but that's such a well put together piece. And even the suit, then you can mix and match. The jewellery, you can mix and match the whole lot.
That's what it's all about. It's
For
really
sure.
And here we have Roisin, and she here is in some new pieces to the collections. And these are inspired again by the waves, which can be very dramatic, as we know, in the winter season off the west coast of Ireland. And here we have the spiral. Again, this goes back to our Celtic past, and it's all about continuity and eternity, and showing that we can bring this Celtic past, our identity, into very contemporary pieces like this. So we are styling these pieces here against this gorgeous silver dress. So we're taking the kind of the tone of the jewellery and we're matching it here with the dress.
A good cami dress, that kind of slip dress.
Everywhere.
We'll go whatever, like
absolutely everything.
Jumper over
Throw
it,
a
looks like
biker
a
jacket
skirt.
or whatever over it as well in your
Exactly.
boots. And it's a real kind of, piece that you're going to have all the time. But I just want to have a quick look at the torque bangle there, because one of the big pieces of jewellery from our Celtic past is, of course, the torque. We found our own, there's many torques being found in Ireland, I think most memorably one in Derry there. But again, torques then were worn around the neck and around the wrist and around the waist, and they are very, very symbolic of strength.
Oh, wow.
So again, like a warrior, for the warrior in all of us. And a really, really beautiful piece.
I like that line.
And shown here in
a warrior in all
a warrior in all
of
of
us.
us.
You're looking fierce, literally. Thank you so much for that. We're going to get Elvira out now with our last look of the day. Some gorgeous, gorgeous pieces.
Aren't they beautiful
pieces?
pieces?
They really are.
And Elvira's coming out here in a very kind of classic summer dress, perfect here for summer weddings.
I'm not over the red. I love the pink, and it's beautiful on you, but I'm like, red's her colour. But this is so stunning. What I love about this is with runners, you can wrap
you
it.
can dress this one up or down.
Yes.
It really is.
The other one's like
have all
knockout glam. You're not going to the
they're
beach
red
in
carpet
that.
dress.
Yes,
this
exactly.
is more of an every single day dress.
Exactly.
Wear it with a denim jacket. We're going to have a quick look first at the earrings, and again, these are also inspired by the Celtic torque. And again, they're simple, but they're absolutely perfect, particularly with a dress like this that, you know, has the ruffles and has the colour going on. It's great to have just a very simple pair of earrings like this that you can wear all the time.
Because you don't want them fighting each other.
No, and that's really important when you're wearing jewellery as well, to have a key piece and then other subtle pieces around it there as well. The dress is by Molly Bracken from the new summer collection there. And we're just going to show you a ring, because we haven't shown you any rings so far. And this is the Alley ring, and Alley means beauty. And again, we are looking again at the Celtic spirals there as well.
And it's lovely and thick, isn't it?
And eternity, exactly. I'm bringing Celtic into kind of very contemporary setting there as well. And this is really an everyday ring there too.
It really is. Thank you so
Really
much for that,
beautiful.
Elvira. Gorgeous look. And Orla, they're all fabulous. Thank you so
they're
much.
Gorgeous look.
As is your own.
Thank you so much.
I might have to take
We're
that.
matching. I think we're matching and jumping.
Leave that in my wardrobe right before you leave. If you'd like any more info on these looks, you can check out our Instagram and Facebook pages at RTE Today. And Orla, we'll see you again very soon.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Fashion on Today, supported by Brian de Staic.